stop it.
Frijoles. Day 14 to becoming unrecognizable. Buenos dias. Now let's go get dressed. This is my outfit for today. Now let's go get some coffee and work out. I'm gonna make some oatmeal this morning. I already have my water boiling, so I'm just gonna wait until it boils. I'm gonna add my oats. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm coming. This is the consistency that I look for in making the oatmeal. The best part of the day.
Mom, best part of the day. I want the real besito.
Okay, give me a besito.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Mom, stop it.
Sorry, time, honey.
That's milk.
Yeah, this is oatmeal.
Yeah, oatmeal.
Yeah.
Best part of the day. Boop.
I just added adobo to my chicken, frying my chicken with lard. To our blender, we're gonna add 1 whole onion, a jalapeno, tomatoes, 4 down, 2 garlic cloves, nor, water halfway, and now we're gonna blend. Once your chicken looks like that, we're gonna add our salsa and some water. Now we're gonna cover it. We're gonna allow it to boil for about 30 minutes. Just make sure to keep an eye on it so it doesn't get stuck on the bottom. I'm also making some frijoles. I'm going to give you a little moment to go grab your Bibles, and we are going to read John 2, 1 through 10. And we are reading on the Easy Bible on the YOUU version Bible app. Jesus changes water into wine at a marriage party. 2 days after that, there was a marriage party. It was in a town of Cana in Galilee. Jesus' mother was there. People had asked Jesus and disciples to come to the party too. When people had drunk all the wine, Jesus' mother said to him, "They have no more wine." Jesus replied, "Woman, why do you tell me this? It is not my time yet." His mother said to the servants, "Do whatever he tells you to do." There were 6 big pots there that were made of stone. Each pot could contain about 100 liters of water. The water was there so that the Jews could wash themselves in the way that their special rules taught. Jesus said to the servants, "Fill their pots with water." So they filled the pots to the top. Then he said, "Now take some of the water from the pots and give it to the master of the party." So they did that. The master of the party tested the water. The water had now become wine. The master did not know where the wine had come from, but the servants who had given it to him knew about it. Then the master asked the new husband to come to him. The master said to him, "Everyone else brings out the best wine first, when people have had plenty to drink. Then they give people cheaper wine. But you are different. You have kept the wine until now." Jesus did this first miracle at Cana in Galilee. In this way, Jesus showed how great and powerful he was, and his disciples believed in him.